Hi guys, you're watching Dainik Savera Presents Fit with Jen. I'm your host and trainer Jennifer and welcome to our brand new 3-month COVID recovery program. ये सिंपल टू फॉलो रेजिमेंट स्पेसिफिकली डिज़ाइन किया गया है उन लोगों के लिए जो कोरोना से ठीक होने के बाद भी ठीक नहीं हैं। ईजी टू फॉलो, स्लो पेस्ड एंड कंट्रोल बॉडी मूवमेंट से ये प्रोग्राम आपके स्टैमिना को वापस लाने में मदद करेगा। Breathing exercises will improve lung capacity, leaving you feeling stronger and better. Let's get started. So guys, रोज की तरह आज का वर्कआउट भी हम शुरू करेंगे कुछ सिंपल बॉडी वेट मूवमेंट्स के साथ ताकि आपकी बॉडी प्रॉपर्ली वार्म अप हो सके। आज की हमारी फर्स्ट मूवमेंट है फ्रंट टू लैटरल लिफ्ट्स। Go ahead and lift your arms straight up, open close and down. Breathe in as you lift up, hold your breath, breathe out as you drop down. 8 repetitions. And relax. Coming up next guys is torso twists. Go ahead and fold your arms a little bit bent at the elbows and twist on the side. And relax. Up next guys is seated jumping jacks. Breathe in, up, breathe out, down. And relax. Next up guys, single arm side dips. Go ahead and lift one arm straight out, let the other arm hang on the side. Switch sides. And relax. Up next guys is claw to fist. Go ahead and stretch your arms straight out in front of you. Make a claw, make a fist. And relax. Up next guys is a few neck movements. Let's start with chin tucks. Relax. Downward half circles is up next. and relax. Up next, guys, is head tilts. And relax. Up next, guys, is straight leg marching chops. Go ahead and stretch your legs straight out until your knees are locked. Lift your arms overhead. Lift alternate leg up, keeping the knee locked. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is knee tuck claps. Keep your upper body straight and avoid leaning back as you perform this movement. And relax. Up next, guys, is single leg cycling. Go ahead and sit on the edge of your chair or your bench and make cycles, 4 in one direction, 4 in the opposite direction. Change your side. Well done. Let's switch your leg. Change your side. Coming up next, guys, is calf lifts. Go ahead and put your hands onto your knees, leaning forward, putting weight onto your knees. Lift your heels up and down. And relax. Finally, guys, toe pull-ins to extensions. Lift your leg up, pull your toe in and push it down. Let's change your leg. Repeat the same movement. Pull in, extend down. And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की warm up movements. I hope that all of you are sufficiently warmed up. If not, you can always go ahead and repeat the movements a couple of more times. अब हम करेंगे आज के कुछ आसन्स. So guys, आज का हमारा first आसन है वीरभद्र आसन, also known as the warrior 3 pose. इसे हम करेंगे standing position में. It does require a lot of balance. So you can always keep a chair next to you to support your body or do it next to a wall. Deep breath in. Breathe out as you balance on your right leg, lifting the left leg off the ground, extending your arms in the front until your body is in a straight line, parallel to the ground. Breathe in. Relax. Repeating on the other side, balancing on the left leg now. Breathe in and relax. So guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है नवासन, also known as the boat pose. इसे हम करेंगे bent leg position में in the sitting position. So start by sitting comfortably on your mat. Make sure that your legs are bent, feet flat on the ground and hands behind your back. Step 1 is to lift your legs up until you feel that they are parallel to the ground. If you feel like challenging yourself, you can go ahead and leave your arms and hold. Breathe in and relax. एक बार फिर से रिपीट करेंगे नवासन, the boat pose. Hands behind, feet flat on the ground. Lifting your feet up until your legs are parallel and hold. Breathe in and relax. Guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है जठारा परिवर्तन आसन और belly twist. इसे हम करेंगे supine position में. Lie down on your back. Lift your feet up until your legs are parallel to the ground. Hands stretched on the side. Deep breath in. Breathe out as you bring your knees down on one side. Breathe in, repeating on the other side. Breathe out. And relax. So guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है भुजंगासन, also known as the cobra pose. इसे हम करेंगे prone position में, which is on your belly. Put your hands right next to your shoulders. Feet joined together. Deep breath in and lift. Breathe out and relax. Repeating one more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. And relax. So guys, अब हम करेंगे कुछ breathing exercises to improve your lung capacity. आज की हमारी first breathing exercise is very simple. It's called deep breathing. As the name suggests, you take a deep breath in through the nose and deep breath out through the nose. इसे आप practice कर सकते हैं up to 5 minutes तक. and relax. आज की हमारी अगली एक्सरसाइज है अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम, also known as alternate nostril breathing. इसके लिए go ahead and use your right hand thumb and block your right nostril. Deep breath in through the left, blocking the left, out through the right. Now in through the right, out through the left, in through the left, out through the right. And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की exercises. I hope that you enjoyed them and are not too tired. Consistency is the name of the game here. It's a marathon, not a sprint. So take it easy, take small steps and you will get there. Do subscribe to the Dainik Savera channel for more cutting edge fitness challenges. Happy healing!